Once the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw the angel of death. Malakul Maut came to take the ruh of a Sahabi of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The angel of death came to take the ruh of a Sahaba. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw the angel of death. Another important thing is the angel of death is also ghaib. The angel of death is unseen. Anything that you cannot see, comprehend with your five senses is ghaib. Remember, there's a difference between ghaib and ghaib. A lot of people think absent and ghaib is the same. Ghaib is that which cannot be comprehended with five senses. Can we see the angel of death? We can't. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw the angel of death. This shows Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has the knowledge of the unseen. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw the angel of death, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressed the angel of death. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O angel of death, you have come to take the ruh of my Sahabi, of my companion. O angel of death, do consider one thing. ارفع بصاحبه فإنه مؤمن. فإنه مؤمن. What is a mu'min? لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى أكون أحب إليه من والديه وولده والناس أجمعين. A true lover of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a true mu'min. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You have come to take the ruh of my Sahabi, O angel of death. Be gentle with him. Be lenient with him. Take it easy with him. Take it easy." Why? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Because he loves me." Take it easy when you take his ruh. Why? He is my lover. He is my ashiq. The angel of death, he said, "Tib nafsak ya Muhammad. Be happy, O Muhammad. You should be glad. You should be happy, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam." Now this is the communication taking place between the angel of death and the beloved of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And this is a consolation for all of us. A tasalli for each and every one of us. This is the karam of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. A khas ni'mah of the beloved of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam for each and every one of us. He doesn't forget us when we are on our deathbed. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam doesn't forget his ummah. Make dua. Make dua. When we are on our deathbed, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam comes and saves us. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam comes and says to the angel of death, "O angel of death, this is my lover. This is my ashiq. Take it easy with him." The angel of death said, "Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, be happy. Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, whenever I take the ruh of every lover of yours, I am gentle with each and every one of them."